Here we go. More credits?
They always show credits.
Another episode shot view.
Since when?
Star Destroyer, kinda.
Soon, this village will be overrun with Goma.
This guy.
He's the most evil. Oh, I can do this during
Prepare
cutscenes for some
to
reason.
purify the village immediately. Wipe it out.
But the village is not under attack yet.
That's quaint. But this is what we do. You know this.
I
We
don't.
always act like dicks.
I don't understand how so many people are still alive when, on a whim, they just wipe out villages because they're bored.
Well, it's a whole world. Maybe.
But it's been 12. It's been
fairly
eons.
populated.
I think this is something special that's going on right now, though. Right?
I guess. Oh, they're sending in all the things: turtles, elephants, elephants. What are
Maybe
the little
people
ones?
should have learned to live with the animals.
Yeah, really, or wrangle the animals to attack the gods.
Well, here they come.
I hate them.
Disgusting. Or perhaps you would like to
Easy.
exterminate them.
You're gonna hit
before they
somebody.
reach the village. Hmm?
It must get so tiring
Yeah.
having to say everything with that much motion.
I had planned on it.
Once again, Sergey, you're confusing emotion with motion. Simply calm down and make some facial expressions. Oh. You're gonna land on one of these? No! Oh, they're like kitties. All right, I'll shoot them. Oh, I'm seeing now for the first time. Look at the meter, the circle that I have.
Yeah.
As you lock onto more, it fills up. Ah!
Jesus!
See it? It's filling up.
Oh.
It's just, I've been moving the circle so much that I never noticed. See it? And then when it makes that, it's really powerful. When it gets red and squeezes.
I think we finally figured it out for the final
Yeah.
chapter.
Is this the final oh well, yeah, the final part. Here we go. Oh, that's gonna hurt ya. Kinda like cows too. Flying jellyfish cows. Sure. How are these jellyfish in any way? Not at all. Blowfish is what I was thinking.
Yeah.
Except they don't have spikes.
Yeah.
So they're not at all either.
They're like the blowfish.
Yeah!
It's a piranha!
Sky piranha. Just doesn't sound right, Yasha, when you yell.
Yeah.
He
Right into
even
his...
looks like he's regretting.
Whoa!
He kind of looked like the expression on his face looked like he was regretting this decision. He's like,
I have to go right through him.
oh.
Because of it, 3/4 of the Karma Fortress's mantra had been consumed.
Whoa. That's a lot of mantra.
3/4?
Yep.
That is everything I witnessed.
Oh, he's on trial now? Or he's explaining it to the Emperor, or... Who's he?
I see.
Oh. He thinks he'll be sympathetic, but he's not.
Yes.
He's gonna call him a traitor.
Why do you hesitate? Speak.
All
Confidence.
these years,
Yeah, man.
I have believed in the cause. But Asura's mantra has proven powerful enough to rival that of our own. That of the Brahmastra. After the blast, we lost track of his whereabouts. We do not know when he might attack again.
Lord Deus.
Probably soon. I like that her boobs jiggle in armor.
Yeah.
Lord Deus, I have a report to make. I used the Brahmastra on Asura.
Yes. I already know. You're dismissed.
But my lord,
Take that.
Yasha tried to...
Dismissed!
Whoa! Oh! Wow, he's powerful. Nice!
Take that,
Lord
bitch.
Deus.
Olga. Must I repeat myself a third
I
time?
think, you
Think
have
he's
to
touching her boob there?
let her
Oh,
go.
yeah. Look, Dea, stop! Stop
My
that!
lord, forgive me.
Jesus. He runs a tight ship.
Yup.
Make me some toast. White or brown? Ah!
No crust.
It makes my tummy hurt.
Yasha?
Sir,
Power without a purpose is meaningless and worthless. A purpose that is firm and change the impossible to possible. That is the power of our cause.
yes, sir.
Then you understand.
Father and son,
what we must
calling
do.
it. Look at the painting on his head, too. It has a circle, and I think he has a circle, too. Kinda.
Well, that was quite entertaining.
Kill him.
Yeah, do it.
Usurper. He's gonna try
So
to usurp the
dedicated
throne, I
to the
bet.
cause, so earnest in our fight to save the world.
Hit him.
There is
Yeah.
nothing more beautiful than fighting for this cause.
Sergei, I want you to bring Yasha with you on the next extermination. You know what you must do.
Did he just put a hit out on Yasha in front of
He
Yasha?
has merely forgotten the beauty of following orders.
Yeah.
Confused.
I think he just put out a hit
As you
on
wish.
Yasha.
I thought it was on
Report.
Sergey.
Large
No.
mass of
In
Goma
front of
confirmed.
Sergey.
They are headed for a city in the vicinity of Shinto. Goma contamination imminent. Requesting permission for immediate purification.
A purification. How beautiful.
Is that Yasha?
That's Yasha,
Come
that's
on
Sergey.
now, Yasha.
Yeah, I thought it was Sergey.
And he just told Sergey, you know what to do. And then he looked deviously at him and said, yes, he'll remember following orders is beautiful. I don't know what's gonna happen. Ooh, kind of looks like the attack by the, when, you know, the big fight Jar Jar was involved in. On those rolling hills in episode 1, remember? And all the balls fell out of the back of that cart because he fucked up with the latch and almost killed millions because of his ineptitude in battle. Oh, crazy Jar Jar.
What a guy.
And then he accidentally knocked one into like their main force and took out like the entire army somehow
Yeah.
with those balls.
Yeah.
Oh, Jar Jar. Best movie ever.
Filthy beasts!
That's Star Trek Episode 1, The Search for Spock, Becky. Oh,
Thanks.
here we go.
And one.
Lock on target. Filthy beast! Oh yeah, you don't shoot these guys with swear yet.
Have to hit the feet, right?
Yeah, you wait. Oh, yeah, you're gonna run in and...
How does he know it's filthy? It's clean.
Yeah, elephants are pretty clean, aren't they?
Very clean.
Sounds like I'm getting beat up quite a bit. Oh! No! No! Here we go. Last elephant battle took quite a while, didn't it?
Yeah, it did.
It takes him so long to put down his trunk. No. Oh no, I've got super mode and I don't know what to do with it. I'll use it on these guys. Let's run out again.
Uh-oh.
He just sounds so pathetic in battle. Oh my god! Oh, dude! My beautiful face! Alright, gonna use triangle on him. As soon as... It didn't give me the triangle
Hit
option.
his trunk there.
Yeah, you are. Ah!
I think that when the circle on the cross appears, you should use triangle when near it.
I kinda did it. It gave me the prompt earlier.
Boot it! Boot it!
Go for the base of the trunk when he's down.
I will. Well, I'm almost charged up for first anyways! There we go. Oh shit. Unlimited triangle. Now I get it. Oh, stay here. Stop moving your trunk.
What we elephants do.
That's like telling a bootylicious babe to keep her butt from moving. I can't stop my badunkadunk any more than she can. Oh, only good.
Good enough. How'd you take it a couple elephants?
Because I just remembered I have that power.
Oh.
They were all in a line, you know, holding on to each other's tails with their tongues.
Yeah! I love Jungle Book.
Pardon me.
Now you got monkeys too. It's just like Jungle Book. I wanna be like you. Doodaloop, doodaloop. Get mad all the time. Doodaloop, doodaloop. And run like you. And jump like you. And feel the gods all around.
Don't bust the Jungle Book.
I love that.
It's been a while since I've seen that.
Me too.
And how can you beat Winnie Pooh as an evil snake?
What?
Winnie the Pooh voice is the evil snake, yeah.
For real?
It's the exact same voice.
Huh.
And I would be blown away if it wasn't the same actor.
You know the guy that wrote a lot of the music for the Jungle Book was back?
Yep.
Aww.
And Big Bang Bang and
Yeah, he wrote like just a
Music
ton of stuff.
One of
then
those
his
guys
brother.
that nobody really knows or
until they die.
until they die.
Yeah.
Well, they probably knew him back in the day, but
The guys who voiced Ka did voice Winnie the Pooh. Yeah,
oh.
thought so. Okay, gonna take a break and we'll be right back.